In this video, I will show you how you can pair your AirPods with your iPad. Now, before we start, just make sure that your AirPods are fully charged. After you do that, then just open the lid of your AirPods case. And after you do that, you will see a pop-up appear on your iPad screen. Now just tap on Connect. Now from here, just enter your AirPods into pairing mode. Now to do that, just double tap on the LED on your AirPods case, or just double tap on this area on your AirPods until you see this white light starts blinking on your AirPods case. But if you have an AirPods Pro or any other AirPods, now to enter into pairing mode in that type of AirPods, just tap and hold on the button at the back of your AirPods case until you see a white light start blinking at the front of your AirPods case, which indicates that your AirPods has entered into pairing mode. And as you can see, we have successfully paired our AirPods with your iPad. Now, for example, if you have opened the lid of your AirPods case, but if you did not see the pop-up appear, so in that situation, just go to Settings. And under Settings, just tap on Bluetooth. From here, just make sure that you have enabled Bluetooth on your iPad. After you do that, then just open the lid of your AirPods case, then enter your AirPods into pairing mode. And once you see this white light starts blinking on your AirPods case, this indicates that your AirPods has entered into pairing mode. Now under other devices, just tap on the name of your AirPods. Now after you do that, you will pair your AirPods with your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.